guys, welcome to Jables Outdoors. You saw in the previous video how we have the motorcycle wheel balancer that we are going to be using for snowmobile clutches, and I'm going to show you the process that we're going to use for setting this up for snowmobile clutches. And process number one is to remove this dust cap off these bearings, or the grease cap. You can see the bearing. There's the bearing. Let's see if you can see the grease in it. There we go. See the grease in there? We got to remove all that grease. We have to have this thing flowing as smooth as possible. And we're going to end up just putting some WD or something really low viscosity, because you want these bearings to be as smooth rolling as possible for the snowmobile clutches. So that'll be the first thing. I'm going to clean these up and show you what they look like. Alright, so you can see here I have all 4 bearings all emptied out now. Try to show you the inside of one, how clean that is. There it is. And I'm going to replace that thick heavy grease with a little bit of this Crown penetrating oil. That's going to be sticking in there. Just enough to lubricate it. You don't want it to be stiff, but you can see how nice those spin now. Before they were pretty stiff, and you want to make this as sensitive as possible. Yeah, they all spin nice. So I'm just going to give these a quick little shot with Crown penetrant. Just a little blast to all 4 of them. There we go. And then start putting her back together. Alright, so you can see here I've got my Skidoo clutch off my MXZ 700, old ZX chassis clutch. And what I'm going to end up doing here is that this inside hole is a little bit big, but it does fit on the interior bushing. So I've already pre-tightened this taper. I'm going to slide it right in. It centers itself. And I'm going to slide this one on the end. Make sure that goes in between, you know, you're centered. And then I'm going to tighten it up with this Allen key, which was actually not provided with the balancer. It's going to give that a little twist. This is my first time doing this, so we're going to see how this goes. And you're just going to set this on in between the now ungreased bearings, and it'll show you the heavy side of this clutch. You give it a little spin. And it'll stop with the heavy side down. Heck, I'd say that's pretty well balanced, really. Oh, we got a heavy side. And then what we're going to do is mark that. Wait till it stops rocking, and we'll mark exactly 90 degrees perpendicular to the ground. And that'll be where we start shaving weight from. Thanks for watching Jables Outdoors. Stay tuned for more videos and cool stuff going on.